Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. Uh, this is a 43-inch 6 feet by 2 feet Android digital standee. This is portable and it's on wheels, and it comes with a full HD display along with a cloud-based controller KeySign Pro, by which you can update or change the contents or the advertisement or the video, slideshow, images playing on this device using a cloud dashboard. You can play very high resolution videos, and you can play slideshow. You can control the settings of videos and slideshow. You can monitor these devices on a cloud dashboard. If I show you the whole standee, you can see it is a black powder coated finish, very smooth finish. See the finishing quality here. This is completely manufactured in-house at Kiosk India office. This is the base. These are the wheels. They come with brake. If you plug it in like this, then the kiosk will not move. The digital standee will not move. And this is the back side of the standee. Here there are knobs for padlocks. You can install any lock here so as to secure the standee. Nobody will. This will make the standee vandal proof. Nobody will be able to steal the controller or the display from the device. So basically, this is a slim standee, and you can see the video quality, the display quality. This is only 3.5 inches wide, so it is quite slim. And the software which I mentioned, KeySign Pro, is one of the best in the market right now. It is very easy to use, and you can change contents from a mobile phone, from a PC, anywhere. You can divide the screen into multi-regions. You can customize the ticker which is playing at the down, or you can even stream YouTube videos. You can stream PowerPoints, slideshows, Google Slides, even RSS feeds you can stream. A lot of different options of content updation. It is a slim, compact 43-inch display and a 6 feet by 2 feet digital standee. Thank you for watching.